Broward RC Racer back with my second unboxing video of my first drift vehicle. This is a model level remote control hand 2.4 gigahertz racing wireless control system. It's a 4-wheel drive, ready to run though, that's good out of the box. Headlights, LiPo, it's a 2S LiPo battery. It's got the gyro standby, it has the ESC, and the all-terrain tires also come with it. And it's a 1/16 scale. The ESP is supposed to be pretty good on this one. So we're gonna unbox it and at least see what it looks like tonight and charge the battery. And tomorrow I will run it around inside and outside. It's supposed to come with 2 sets of tires, an all-terrain tire just to play with it, and then the drift tires to seriously drift with it. So let's get into this box and let's see what it looks like. What happened to my knife? In my pocket. That'll be something I gotta cut. It always is. No, I did get the box open. Let's see what we're working with here. This should slide out fairly easily. And we'll always keep the instructions, so they're good to have. Another piece of paper over here. Alright, there's the controller. I also have to pull that in here. Which I think these are the drifting tires. Yes, it is. So drifting tires and a few other little things. So let's see what's in the bag. Okay, there's your USB charger. There's your whole little toolkit so you can work on it. And you know you can get more parts and change it and make it faster, slower, do what you like. Here are the, oh, okay, so the drift tires are on it. These are the all-terrain tires here. See, these, not bad for an all-terrain tire. Not as big as my Traxxas, but not bad. You can make it, you can get your here. Oh. Stop. Oh, that's what it is. Twisty tires. No, tie wrapped it. Grab my lights over there. Let's get the truck off of here. There's the truck car slash. It's a Gorilla Super Sport. Body is pretty solid on this. Suspension's pretty tight too for drifting. Let's take the body off and let's see what we got. There we go. And you got to be careful because it does have a light kit attached to it. So you have to, when taking the body off, unplug your light kit. And there's our battery. And should just turn. And there's our, it says it is a 7.4 volt lithium ion. Not bad. They do have a lot of power in these type of batteries. And put this back. Suspension's pretty good on it. Solid tires for drifting. Solid plastic tires for drifting. It's pretty impressed with under $100. And it also has a feature that a lot of the other ones don't have. The back actually lights up. Most of the other ones, only the front do. The headlights only. This does have a safety switch that's also lights up in the back to let you know what's going on from the rear end. Looks like a beautiful piece of machinery. Now let's get into the remote, because the remote's a little bit different than most of your other ones. You can adjust your ESP, you can adjust your steering and the trim on it all at the same time. You also have auto reverse and auto forward. Rarely used, but good to help if you know how to use them. But other than that, I think it is a great machine. And over and out.